we are not sure about the vibration that we are offering, we cannot predict the outcome with certainty. Most of us, we want money. True or not? We want money. We want health. We want relationships. We wanted to excel in career, or we wanted to, increase sales or revenue in our business. But if you're offering a vibration of lack, then you cannot predict the outcome with certainty. The outcome is we want money, but the vibrations that we are offering are negative or lack. So do you see a lot of conflict? Now, are you understanding why am I not able to manifest? Maybe it could be money, or it could be health, or it could be relationships. If you're always offering a vibration of lack of love for yourself, for other people, then you cannot expect relationships to be harmonious. If you're offering a vibration of being sick, then you cannot expect to be healthy, because there is a lot of conflict, lot of contradiction, right? So this is where we are missing. And many people, they wanted to practice some techniques. Even I'll tell you the fact with the techniques also. Many people, they apply techniques from a place of lack. Place of lack is, okay, I don't have money, then I need to do something to get that money. With this place of lack, you cannot attract money, because when you are into the place, when you take any action from a place of lack, it is always counterproductive. So there should be alignment between your desires and between the vibrations that you are offering.